Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change screen mode in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and now you want to change your screen mode, so let's see how you can do this. First of all, you just have to open your device settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for display here, tap on it. And here you must have to look for screen mode, just tap on it. And here you will get two different screen modes, the vivid and natural. You can easily select which one you want, and here you can see that how your screen will look. You can easily change your white balance from here, and here are some advanced settings you can easily do. Here's the R, G and B. There's the red, blue and green colors. You can easily change them, and here's the vividness. Just customize your screen on which you want. So that's how you can easily change your screen mode in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.